In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your profile picture in Trello for the year 2025 in a fast and easy way. Whether you're new to Trello or need a quick refresher, these simple steps will guide you through the process, ensuring your profile is exactly how you want it. Let's get started. First, you need to open your web browser and navigate to Trello.com. Once the page loads, look towards the top right corner of the page and click on Login. You have the option to log in using your email or your Google account, so just choose whichever method is more convenient for you. This step is crucial because you obviously need to access your account to make any changes to your profile. After logging in, your next task will be to click on your account avatar, which is also located in the upper right corner of the page. This will open up a drop down menu. Here you'll see several options, but what you're interested in is the one labelled Manage Account. Click on that and it will redirect you to your profile settings. This is where all the magic happens. Once you're in the profile settings, keep an eye out for the camera icon next to your current profile picture. Click on this icon and it will present you with an option to change your profile photo. Click on Change Profile Photo to get started with updating your image. Now you have a couple of choices here. If you prefer simplicity and have your image already prepared, you can take advantage of the drag and drop feature. Just drag the image file from your computer and drop it directly onto the designated area. Alternatively, if you prefer browsing through your files, you can click on Upload a Photo and select the desired image from your device's storage. Once your image is uploaded, take a moment to ensure it looks just right by using the adjustment tools provided. You can resize or reposition the image as needed to fit the frame perfectly. When you're satisfied with how it looks, the final step is to click on Upload to save your new profile picture. And there you have it, you've successfully changed your profile picture on Trello. It's really that simple and quick. This small change can help personalize your account and give it a touch of your personality. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Feel free to leave any questions or comments you might have below. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more useful guides like this one. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.